So today is May 12th, Wednesday, 2021, and I found an interesting company that I consider to be undervalued currently. So this company name is EXPI, X World Holdings Inc. And I was looking at technicals, and so this company fell by around 71%. And 71%, in my opinion, is a big fall. So I usually, for my trading purposes, my trading style is usually buying companies when they're falling. That's what the best investors in the world are recommending to do. They're usually buying when everyone is selling. So as we can see here, this is supply or a demand zone, and overall, this company has been the trend has been going up, as you can see, and just yesterday, as soon as it touched the demand zone, right away it jumped around 17%. So that that's pretty significant jump of that zone. So that means that some big players, banks, hedge funds, they have their limit orders at those levels. So it could be considered a good level for a long positional trade. And as far as the fundamentals of the stock, which I thought to be really very good, as we can see, the sales have gone up by hundreds of percent from 0.05 billion to almost 2 billion in 2020. So I'm guessing the home sales have gone up by, I don't know how many percent, but obviously by a lot of percent. So, and I'm thinking that 2021 will be also a positive year for the company. It's already the return on equity is already 30%, which is incredible. The company doesn't have any long-term debt, as we can see here, which is also amazing. So you're basically buying a company that doesn't have any debt, which means that it's already a uh, good thing. Um, so also we can see that institutions have around 21% in this company, which is also a good sign. Means that they believe in the company. And I mean, I myself didn't know much about real estate companies, so I Googled a few articles about this company. And as you can see here, uh, this guy Taylor, he wrote his article that he believes this is going to be the next Amazon or Caravana type of stock in the future for real estate. And he also states that 2 trillion worth of buildings and land were bought and sold around the world last year. If we assume that 5% commission rate, then the global market for real estate is a $100 billion opportunity, which is really incredible. So he says that Zillow Group, Open Door Technologies are the competitors, and Expi is basically took another route uh, by actually getting brokers together. Um, so they're bringing more and more brokers under its banner. So the offices are located in those countries all around the world: Spain, Israel, India, which is really good. The revenues are skyrocketing. Uh, Revenue jumping 122% to over 600 million. The company is profitable, making 7.7 million for the quarter, up from less than 1 million a year ago. And for 2020 was a COVID, and so a lot of companies did horrible, but this sector did really well. Um, so all of those things, my initial analysis, fundamental analysis, plus what I'm reading here, plus the technical analysis, which is really, I mean, the company lost almost 71%. So if it was going to return back, look, you have 258% possibility or even more. If the company continues growing like that, there is a huge possibilities. I mean, there are a lot of companies that have a similar pattern, but most of them have long-term debt. They're not as profitable, and so if you were gonna buy a company that is oversold, it's better to buy it with good fundamentals. So in my opinion, this company is a real deal, good for a positional trade with 200% or more upside potential, which is really good. So if you enjoyed my little forecast, little video here, then you can leave your comment below, or you can ask me to do an analysis on another company, or whatever you feel comfortable. You can write me or leave a comment. I'll be happy to go over a few companies because this is what I do. I do it for fun, and I also invest my own money into different companies, and that's how I make money as well. So thank you for watching and have a nice day.